Now into our previous video already we have seen how we can configure and how we can use your Azure streaming. Now here we are going to start practically how we can configure this particular Azure streaming into our Azure portal. So let us begin to your Azure portal here.
So here we are on portal and now we need to create a media account. So whenever you're talking about your media streaming, very first the account is very important to be created here. So what we need to do is we will move into your more service and we'll find here the media service. And you can find this the media service available to you. Move into it and go for adding a new media account. So I'm going to add a new media service account here. You need to just define everything into your lowercase. So media TTP, okay, and the trial account, the existing resource group I'm going to create, that is RG1, and the location I have defined. You can also define your storage account. So already we have created one storage. I'm going to use the same, and once you have done with it, go for creating this. So we have created our media service account here. So it will take little time. In few seconds you will be ready to use your media services. So you can find here we are into your media service and it is getting proceeded. It is deploying everything into your RG1. I'll just refresh it out. We should get to add your media service here. Pin to dashboard. Refresh it once more. You can see this is the media service which we have created. Once you move into this media service, you generally have different options here. You can define access control IAM for this particular media service. You can create your account keys for this media service. You can define your assets into your media service. Okay, so into assets, generally you will upload all the particular media or medias which you have. Same way you can use your live streaming if like you have connected your cameras and devices over here. You can also create a live streaming account here, and once you have created all the videos and audios which are playing live, we'll move into it. So right now we are moving into assets and here I'm going to upload a particular media. So for that I will click on upload, and here into upload I'm going to upload a media file. So here I'm going to select my media file. So the file which you have should be into your video format. I'm going to use this one, Tom and Jerry, and I'll open this. So it takes little time to add this particular video if as per your size of your video, and which are the video generally you are going to add over here. Ensure that you have some information, the formats which it supports. You can get access here like your MP4 and your recorded formats are shown over here. These are the supported formats. So input can be through your FLV, MPEG and GXF format, AVI format, MP4 and WAV formats. These are the supportable WAV formats. So you need to provide this format into this media services itself. And then the limitation, generally we have the size limitation for per video which you are going to upload here. So you can see here it is showing you Azure Media Service account as single subscription has 25 fixed. Okay, and this is the number of video generally you can upload. Media reserve units will be as per your AMS, Azure Media Services. That will be again 25 to S1 and S2, and for 10 generally we will be using for your S3. So these are the videos, the number of medias we can upload over here. So here this is a limitation, this is the quota defined for you. And again, if you require a higher limit quota, so you need to create a storage account and then you need to upgrade your media services. Same way you can check the list supported characters for file name. So number of characters you can use for your file name is again defined over here, like the number of maximum characters you can use and what are the this particular special characters you can use into your name is defined over here. This length should not be greater than 260 characters. There is a limit of maximum file size supported. For this you can move into this topic. Again it will be back to your quota. So this is the maximum file size. So this is what exactly the information it's providing you. Already we have uploaded this particular media, And here you can see it is again showing you the information is your file upload completed. So once you move into it, you can see this is the file which is uploaded into your system, right? Now, what if I move into this particular file here? You can see this file is open. You get the information about this file. When you have uploaded this file, the media asset type is single MP4 right now. Total size of this particular media is 13 MB. No encryption is provided to it. Now, if I want to encode this media, we can directly encode it from here. We can define the encoder name. So this is the standard encoder name. We don't go for a premium one because premium one we need to pay extra here. So this is as of now, we for trial we can use this standard encoder, and then you have this particular type of your encodings. Like if suppose we want like it should be a high definition videos, so that kind of videos you can define. You can also define a thumbnail for this particular video. So like whenever you create any kind of videos, you generally define a thumbnail for it. So whether you want to define it as an JPEG format, BMP format, or PNG format, it will create a thumbnail for it. If you just want to define you know media players without any thumbnail, you can also use directly your default one, content adaptive multiple bitrate, which is your MP4. So your output media assets will be this one. So it will be encoded here. So the job name will be this. If you want to change the job name, first video, you can change it. Okay, and then I'm going to create the same. So if you're creating the same, you can see added encoding job media first. Okay, so the encoding has been done, and you can see this is the encoded video generally you have over here. Okay, so this way you can encode the media which you have used, which you have uploaded over here. So this is your pre-recorded videos. So this kind of videos you can provide to your user on their demand. And once you have encoded this particular video, and once it is encoding is completed, we will see how we can publish this particular video. So a file format is still unknown. Let us wait till it's getting completely encoded. We need to wait for a while. Now here we can see we can publish this particular video as well. So if we are publishing it, it will show you this is the date of when you are publishing it. So it is the 20th of this particular date, and this will be the end time of this particular publication. This is a progressive the locator, whether you will be able to see whether what is the progress of this particular video file, it's been published or not. You can add this particular video into your publisher, so it will start publishing this particular video. It will be in progress. So your locator is again added. I'm going to move into your media service, that is my TTP back. So it is, you can see from here you have already published it. Okay, so the progressive rate is this one. You can copy this. You can check into this particular URL. So authentication has failed. Okay, so you can see here we got the URL for it. This is your MP4 URL. I can just get copy over here and I can paste it. So you can see this is playing your URL directly. So you can share the URL wherever you want. So into your MP4 format, you have different storage type, and here you can do is like can get access to URL from different links you have created. So this is how generally you can publish your URL. So we were not getting this URLs till that time. It was not being created well. So these are the URLs generally you have into different formats. You can see this is your ASMC format, this is your ISM format, this is your MP4 format, XML format, right? So if you want to get into your XML format as well, you can get it over here. Hit enter. So this is your XML format. So you generally get your your whatever the media you have streamed or you have put up for the streaming it, so you get the information about it, right? So you can see here your Tom and Jerry is been uploaded, downloaded. You have this ISMC files downloaded with you. So this is how generally you can stream your videos which generally you have already uploaded it. So here I can have a number of videos and I can schedule the streams, and just we can move here and we can schedule and when we want to publish it. If you don't want to publish this particular video, just click on unpublish, so automatically it will unpublish this video. So you can see this will disable all the streaming for this assets. So if you click yes, it will go for streaming it. Same way you can have it and analyze. You can even analyze the video here. So you can use this particular process name, which kind of process generally you want to see. So if you want to see the media motion detector or face detector, or what kind of the processor name you can define for the media processing, and you can define a job title and create it. You can see it is showing you the media analytics job added. Wait a while, so it is showing you. Okay, so this is the media analytics links you have. This is the name of this particular media. This is a media name. You can see Azure Media Indexer Processing for Tom and Jerry, the video we have uploaded. It is media encoder, standard encoded, right? This is a schedule of this particular media which we have included. And also it is showing you the task error. If you have any kind of task error, it will provide you that. See, it is showing you the schedule and the progress rate of this particular media. So this is at present 0%, right? So this is what exactly it is showing you. The output will be this one. Okay, so this will be the inductor file output you will be getting for this particular asset which you have created. So it is linking you directly to your asset where you have created the asset. Same way, as said, you can also analyze this particular media. So for analyzing the media, we also have the media analyzers. You can find here into your analyzers. Generally, we have your media analyzer, monitoring and management, stream analytics jobs. You can see. So you can create your analytics jobs for the streaming videos. Generally, we have. So it's the same job generally you can add for the streaming jobs or the streaming media generally you have created. So I'm going to define the job name as job 1, free trial RG1, whether you want to host it on your cloud or your edge, on cloud itself. It will validate the same. Once it is done, you will be able to see it into your media. Here you can see the job 1 is been created, right? So here it is showing you the functions, and you can define the functions, queries, outputs, everything you need to know about the medias you have created. So you can define the input, can add the input, data stream, right? Reference data which you want. So it will be from your, the data where you actually have stored your complete medias which you have created. You can define the alias path, your type of your format generally we have. So we require the serialization format into your SSV or JSON. You can define that as well. So here are the containers generally we have, that is asset containers we have into your system. So this is what exactly you can use for analyzing your streaming, as we haven't completed our streaming yet. So it will take a little time to stream your video which you have created. So just we'll move back to your streams here. That is my media TTP, and here you can find the again our assets. This is what exactly you can see. This is what we have published. So it is showing you multi bitrate MP4, right? And this is again the streaming video generally we have here. So it will stream the video till the date you have defined. So it will continue on streaming. Once it is published, it will go on publishing and streaming the videos. So there we have seen your the kind of video which generally we have as an on-demand streaming. So it will go on streaming. So once we have demanded it, like you need to stream it. If I don't want to stream it, this particular videos, I can delete this particular videos. I can unpublish the same. If you unpublish, it won't publish your videos here. So I can delete the locators of this particular videos, and I can unpublish the same. So you can see the publisher sign is disappeared. So this is what we have seen about your on-demand streamings into your media service of your Azure. So you can find here there are a lot of streaming which is going on. It's publishing and streaming your videos. It is also providing you a live archive of it, right? So what I need to do is I'm going to create your live streaming. So this is the live streaming videos we generally have, you can find here. And I'm going to create my live streaming here. So for creating your live streaming, you can see you have an option live streaming. So you can move here inside your live streaming and then you can quickly create your live stream, or you can go for create custom way. So I'll take a create custom way where you will define your channel. What kind of channel you require? You require a live encoding channel, so automatically it will encode your video live. And then I'm going to define the name as live 1, or we can define live streaming 1. Okay, and then description, I'm going to define demo live streaming here, and we'll go for okay. So billing for the channels will be again when it starts. So this will be the billing it's showing you, so you can read the terms and conditions as well as what you will be charged. So this is the, as per the region, generally it charges you. So it will be, we can say 15 cents per minute it will charge you. If you are a standard encoder, if you are a premium encoder, it will charge you for 0 point, or we can say 35 cents. So it's okay for me as of now. I'm going to click OK. And then ingest, from where you are going to get your videos. So your streaming protocol is your fragmented MP4, or you have your RTP MPEG transport stream. So you need to define this transport stream. You need to define the program from where generally it will be transported, and in the case your input contains multiple programs, the video encoder will again use this program map table from where it will stream the videos. So it will arrange the videos, it will index it, and then it will provide you the encoding. Same way, how many the audio streams, from how many ways you are going to get, how many sources you are going to get, it is showing you that. And IP restrictions do you want? So I'm just going to define none of it. Channel preview, it will show you that this is a channel preview. You haven't done anything here because we don't have anything for your live streaming actually. The encoding should be in which kind of encoding format. So you will be using your default 720 pixels, or if you want to go for custom presets, you can also define your custom presets. As of now, I want to do this one. Okay, and then create. So it will create your live streaming one, a separate channel like this one. So here I have stopped this live streaming as of now, and if you want to use this particular live streaming, this is the preview look of this live streaming, and it has streamed 2 live events. Same way we can create the events over here for your live streaming. So we can create our live streaming event with a name, and how many days this particular videos is going to run. Like if you have a channel, like you're going to provide a live videos for 1 hour, you can define for 1 hour or 2 hour, whatever you have. So here you can see it is showing you this is getting encoded. This is a live streaming, and this will be the ingest protocol you have. This is the preview URL. As of now, we don't have anything, so you won't be able to see anything, and she will show you the server is not available. So we don't have anything as of now. So if you have anything, it will show you this particular channel is getting started, and this particular live stream will provide you the preview for what you have. Same way, it is showing you haven't added any live events yet. So we will have to add a live event if you want to publish anything and stream it. So we can define the stream 1, okay, description, anything, and asset name, which asset you want to use for your live streaming. So we can define the asset name which we generally have, like I can define the asset name as your assets which we generally have here. We'll wait for a while. I'll define the name of my asset. Okay, I'll just copy this. Right now we have only this one. We don't have any live monitoring videos or live monitoring assets, so we can use it. So I'm just going to move into your live streaming back, and then I'm going to define the live streaming asset into our live event. Stream 1, description demo, asset name, and start event immediately if you want. So right now our channel is not started, so we are not able to start the event. And say your unless your channel is running, you won't be able to start your live event. So your channel is getting started as of now, so we'll wait till it's getting completely up and running, and then we will start our event immediately. So we'll wait for a while. So let's this particular channel get started, because you will be publishing on a channel. So all the particular live videos whichever you will be creating will be created on this channel, and this is the link for your channel. And if you want a particular video to be shown, like you want to deploy a particular video and you want to see a particular video, you can click on this video, you can go on the event which you have created, and then you can quickly publish this particular video. So automatically it will publish this video, it will create a stream for this particular video, and you can copy this and you can provide it to your end user if you want to get access only to this particular video you have created. So as of now I don't have anything to publish, because we don't have any assets, so we need to wait till it's getting created. Just I'll show you how you can do this particular live stream, how we can create it once our status of this live streaming one is ready. So you can find this is done, and now I want to add the source for this live streaming. So what you can do, you can go into your live streaming video and go for more, and you can watch the preview if you want. Like if you want to add the videos to it, so what we can do is we can create a live event. First of all, I'll create a new live event, live event 1, and the event we have defined. Okay, hit enter, and into your live event, generally when you get your live event here, it is getting created. You move into your live streaming, and here we are encoding your live streaming as of now. So once your live streaming is created, you just move into this particular live streaming, and once your locators are created, because once you create a live streaming, the locators will get created. Once your locators are created, that means you are able to get your live streaming videos. So for that I'm just going to show you. Okay, it has started now. I'll just move into your live streaming here. So this is your live streaming. It's finding an error because we haven't connected any of your device here. So we can move into settings. We can set our previews or ingest settings, from where I'm going to get the IP addresses. There's a primary we can set, and also what we can do is we can move into more, and we can go for ingest preset. Ingest preset, we generally have this options where we can previously set from where I'm going to get the source. Either your encoder can be FMLE, this kind of encoder we can use, which is a flash media live encoder, and you can download it. You can get access to the file, XML file. You can use this, and or you can use your Wirecast. If you have live camera attached to it, you can also set the download this particular option, and you can see how you can download. So it will provide you the complete guide how we can use it. So as of now I don't have any cameras and other softwares attached to it. So you can use your cameras, you can use your Wirecast software available for your Microsoft or as per the operating system you have. So it is available for your Mac and Windows. You can download it, you can connect your cameras over there. Once you connect your cameras, you will be able to get or capture all the particular videos from it, and those particular videos which you are capturing from those particular cameras will be again live over here. So if you have two different sources, you can define two different sources here, and if you have only one source, so you can use only one source and start your live process. So automatically your channel will be started, and whatever you are deploying from the streaming videos will be provided or go live on your channel. So this is a preset what you need to do once you start your channel. before you start your channel. So it is called as ingest preset. Once you start your channel and once it is live, you won't be able to get this options preset, so you can directly watch your preview because already you have set from where you are going to get the information or you are going to get your videos. So it is a clear, as of now we don't have any live videos available, no source are available, hence it is going to show you this error. So this is how generally you can create your live streaming, and you can deploy your live streamings to your end users. You can also check it how generally your live streaming is playing. This is a preview option available for you, so you can even simultaneously check from your other virtual machines if you have connected, or other laptops or other particular systems you have. Same way you can also create an endpoint for your users or the media services. So you can see here the host name is media.ttp or streaming.media.com. So this you can use for creating your endpoints for this live streaming. So this will be the host name. Directly you can connect this live streaming server and you can manage it from anywhere. So this is what we have seen about your live streaming. So this is a streaming, it made you very easy, nothing to do, just add your camera on your system, connect to this particular media streaming, automatically the live streaming is going on. And same way we have also created our preloaded streamings or on-demand streamings, where generally we can see we have scheduled the task for your assets and it is going on streaming your videos which you have uploaded. Right, so you can see this is the live streaming which are going on, it's showing you over here. If I want to stop this from here also, you can again stop or delete it. If you don't want to publish it, you can unpublish it from here. So this is only the portal, or this is only the space where generally you are going to get all the streaming videos. So here we have completed with this particular video. Into next video I'm coming up with ID protections with your Azure AD.